What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. It's another beautiful day. Today let's talk about promoting your affiliate products, and I'm going to be giving you a few tips to help you with that. We are going to talk about strategies for promoting your affiliate products, techniques for driving traffic to your content, social media marketing for affiliates, and email marketing for affiliate promotions. So starting from the first, there are a few strategies you need to apply for promoting your affiliate products effectively. Starting up your affiliate journey, you have to make sure that you focus on one or two products. You should not focus on plenty products, because if you do, it's going to be really hard as a starter to actually promote a lot of products. Your audience or your viewers might not be much interested in you because you are doing almost everything. It's just like this saying, jack of all trades, master of none. You actually have to be a master of one or two of them, and then as you grow big, you can then extend to other products. Also have a good landing page so that when you direct your viewers to your page, they're not going to feel disgusted about it or less interested. Okay, it should be something that they can be comfortable with when they get into your landing page. One of the first things that you actually need to consider is actually talking to your friends and your close contacts. When you start, for example, let me say you start selling shoes, you're an affiliate for maybe Adidas. Okay, the first people you should actually promote your contents to is people that are close to you, your friends and your contacts. Yes, I know it's not everybody that are going to buy. It's not everybody that might be interested in that. But it's a good thing that you let them know about it. These are your first supporters, okay? So you don't just have to let them go like that. That is traffic lying there in your hands. So you have to actually make good use of it. From there, you can be able to get a few people to sign up for your stuff. From there, you can be able to get a few people to patronize your business. And again, also make sure that you join affiliate groups and forums, because in all of these places, you might be able to get good help, because a lot of these people will be sharing ideas between themselves. That way, you can get something that is going to help you through your journey. Now let's talk about some of the techniques for driving traffic to your content. You have to be able to build trust. And how can you build trust? You should actually make contents that are helpful, that meet the needs to your customers, or at least that are entertaining, because all of these things can actually make them trust you for some certain reasons. It works in a lot of scenarios. When you build an emailing list, I know it's not everybody that is going to be attending to every email you send, but the people that are going to try it will actually be able to trust you if whatever you are promoting or you are selling to them actually meets their needs or solves the problem. Then that is going to increase their trust in you. You can do something like a tutorial. Let's say you are promoting fitness and health. You can make a tutorial on maybe weight gain or weight loss, or how to achieve some certain body mass and all of those things. When you are able to do that, they can trust you if your system works for them, and then you can sell your product to them with that. Why? Because you've gained their trust, and when you recommend something like a supplement that can actually help them, they're definitely going to patronize your market. And another thing is this: you should always look out for bonuses that are available in your niche or whichever niche that you choose, because you know a lot of people like free stuffs and all that. And if you're bringing this thing to them from time to time, they can seem to be trusting you more, because it's always enjoyable to get them free stuffs. Now, social media marketing is another great way. I talked about it in the last video. It's one of the systems, one of the strategies that I love the most. And one of the ways in which this can help you is if you implement good SEO practices. For example, let your title contain something that answers a question, something that shows up on the search results. This is going to make it easier for your content to actually reach an audience, most especially when you go to something that is trending. When you use a tool like Google Trend, this is going to help you actually get topics that are trending for the day or for the week, and then you can implement them in your search. You can title your topics according to that result that you got from Google Trends. This can help you to reach a certain amount of audience that might be more than what you would even expect. Sometimes some of these titles might look or sound crazy, but I bet you there's more crazy people out there in the world, and these are the people that you need to sell your products to. Make sure that you have social media accounts on almost all the platforms. This is going to help. Even though you're not going to use all of them at the same time, you can gradually proceed from one to another, but please make sure that you do this, because it's very important. Because imagine you post a content on Facebook and you get only 100 views. When you post it on TikTok and you get 100 views, 100 plus 100 is 200. It's highly likely that it is not the same 100 people that view your post on Facebook that will also view your post on TikTok. Now imagine you having these accounts on 5 to 8 platforms. Even with little content views, you can actually drive a good amount or a good number of traffic to your business. Also, make sure that you find groups and forums that are in your niche, that are within your niche, that does the same thing that you're interested in or the same business as you do. And also make sure to have a YouTube account. This is very important. A lot of people don't like to create content on video platforms like TikTok and YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and all of that. But this is very important. You don't necessarily need to show your face before you make content. There are different ways in which you can make content. I talked about AI in my last video, and there's a lot of ways that AI can help you to make your content even without showing your face. And you can be making videos constantly or regularly. This will actually help you to get some reach. Let's talk about email marketing for affiliate promotions. Email marketing is one of the oldest forms of digital marketing, and it goes a long way. And even up till now, it still works because it is a form of direct marketing. You're doing your promotion directly to the customer. It's just going to be dropped in their email. Every time you send that email, you're going to get it directly in their inbox. And when they go to check it, they found your product. Imagine you having 2,000 email addresses and then you are sending that mail to them each and every day. There is no way you would not get your target audience. And again, you don't have to stress yourself by doing all of those work. Systeme.io is a platform that can do it for you. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you're going to have access to this platform. They can help you to build your website. They can help you with your email marketing. They can help you to keep track of your sales. And they also offer affiliate marketing programs. In case you don't know something that you can do, in case you don't have any idea of a platform to promote, you can actually promote this. They can teach you on ways in which you can make money for free. You don't even have to pay a dime. You can do all of these things for free on the website. Although there are paid courses there that they sell to as well. But you might not be needing it. You can make money for free from nothing on Systeme.io. Okay guys, so that'll be all for today. I hope you learned a lot from today's video. Please don't sleep on this one, okay? Make sure you try your best and make a move today. Start affiliate marketing today and make money for yourself from nothing. This is applicable to everyone. It does not matter if you're young or old, if you're a student, if you are working, you're working class and all of those. If you can take 1 or 2 hours aside in a day to actually focus on these things, trust me, you go far. You might even be making a lot of money, more than the money that you're getting from your job. I'm going to be dropping more informative and educating content on my next video, so please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification so that you're going to get notified when my next video drops. And please don't forget to like this video so that it's going to be recommended to other people who are interested in stuff like this. By doing that, you're also helping them out as well. Please, if you have any questions, I'll be in the comments and I'll be willing to reply to your messages. Do have a lovely day, guys. Cheers.